If you have someone in your life that snores like this as well, I think I may have just found the solution. I struggle with this every single night. She just falls asleep immediately and just makes these tractor-like sounds. Honestly, so annoying. And the thing is, I've tried stuff like melatonin, which people say puts you to sleep, but what that does is when she's sounding like a tractor, I'm now just extremely tired but wide awake because of that noise. It's honestly frustrating, but I think I have the solution now. My mate sent me these earplugs, noise cancelling earplugs, a couple days ago, and those 2 nights have been absolutely bliss. They actually cancel out the noise, but I can still hear and wake up to my alarm. So yeah, turns out it is actually possible to sleep next to their noise.